wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? When I stack figures, blow a bag with you, share a life with you, spend some cash with you. Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga?
Your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove.
Hey you guys, welcome back. So for today's video we do have a new hair tutorial. I'm actually trying something different today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a swoop ponytail using a wig. Also, the wig that I'm going to be using today is from Supernova Hair. I did get their loose wave unit in a 20-inch. This unit is so gorgeous, you guys. Really soft and pretty. This is basically what the hair looks like. I'm just going to show you guys the front. So that's the front of the lace. On the inside it does come with 3 combs on the inside, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back, and it also comes with the adjustable band. That way you can adjust your wig if ever it's too loose on your head. So when it comes to doing this ponytail with a wig, the first thing you want to do is actually go ahead and install your wig. You want to make sure that your wig is secured on your head before you even attempt to pin it up into a ponytail.
It's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
What I'm using to secure my wig is the Gatsby Blast and Freeze spray, and I'm just spraying this directly in front of the lace and somewhat onto the hair itself, but you don't want to get too much of this product on the hair because it does make your hair hard and crunchy. And then I take my blow dryer on a cool setting for about 5 to 10 seconds and let that spray dry. And that's all I use to secure my wig. Now that my wig is onto my head, then we can go ahead and focus on the ponytail. Then you want to part your unit on whichever side you want to wear your swoop on. And if your knots are not bleached, I would definitely recommend going in with some concealer just to lighten that part in space. That way it looks like scalp. So I'm going in with some concealer just to lighten it. And now I'm just pulling out some hair from the front there, and that's what we're going to use to do our swoop. But for the rest of the hair in the back of it, I'm actually going to go ahead and pin this up into a ponytail, and then we're going to do the swoop afterwards. So you want to leave that piece out in the front there. You can wrap it up or do whatever with it. So you want to just pull everything back into a ponytail like you would do on your natural hair. So to swoop that piece of hair, you're going to need some mousse. I'm just adding mousse over the entire piece of hair that I left out. And I'm taking a brush. You can use any brush. Taking a brush and brushing everything to the side. And then I'm going to pull that piece of hair back behind my ears. But you want to make sure that the hair is on the side of your face. And then you're just going to pin it into another ponytail on the same ponytail that we've made behind. And then I'm just taking some mousse and going back over everything and making sure it's really smooth and nice. Also, you can definitely add baby hairs if you want. It's very optional. I personally was not going for like the whole baby hair look, so I did not add any. The only thing I did was add little swoops to my sideburns, and that was about it. Like, this is literally how easy it is to do this ponytail, you guys. So you don't always have to go to the salon and get this ponytail done. You can definitely do this yourself on one of your wigs. and this is how easy it is to do a swoop ponytail with a wig. So you don't always have to, you know, flat iron your hair or go through that whole process of having to actually put so much products and gel and all that extra stuff into your natural hair. You can definitely just try on a wig and do the same swoop ponytail and get that same swoop look. It's really quick and easy. Anybody out there like me, you don't like to flat iron your hair, I know for this particular style, if you do have like really coarse hair and really curly hair, you might have to like flat iron your hair to achieve this style. And I'm very natural when it comes to my hair, so I don't like putting too much hot tools in my hair. So I prefer to do this style on a wig and get that same look that I'm going for just on a wig. So you don't have to spoil your hair. It's really so easy to achieve that swoop ponytail on a lace unit. Again, this hair is from Supernova Hair. I am wearing their 13x4 Brazilian loose wave unit. I did get this hair in a 20 inch, so you guys can see how far it comes down. Also, you guys, the hair is really soft and nice. I highly recommend them. They have some of the best blonde hair. I've had blonde units from them before. This is my first black unit from them, but I had their blonde hair before, and their blonde hair is off the chain. Hair is extremely soft, no shedding, no tangling. Also, your frontal does come pre-plucked, pre-customized for you, so you don't have to go in and do any work when it comes to installing this unit. As far as doing the whole ponytail, you definitely don't have to do any work. The work comes done for you. All you really have to do is install your wig and style it. You don't even have to do a ponytail on this unit. You can definitely wear it as it is, add some extra curls to it, and the unit is bomb, you guys. Really soft and nice. So far, no shedding, no tangling. I'm definitely loving this hair. All you really need to achieve this ponytail is some mousse and some Gatsby Blast and Freeze spray. I also use this to lay down my unit. Overall look is really gorgeous, you guys. Also, I do have a makeup tutorial on this look if you guys are interested in that. I will have that listed down below for you guys, that way you guys can check it out. That's pretty much about it on this hair. I really don't have a lot to say when it comes to this hair. The hair is bomb, you guys. I'll have all the details listed down below on where you guys can purchase this hair if you're interested. Besides that, thank you guys for tuning back in. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel in this swoop ponytail, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.